Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Old Reds. Fancy meeting y'all here. Welcome. Today's video is going to be about healthy eating. I went on a weight loss journey over 9 months ago, almost 10 months now, and I've lost 57 pounds. And I want to show you how I did it. And that doesn't mean you have to stop barbecuing. You can barbecue all day long. But let's also eat healthy, and I'm gonna make you right now one of my favorite recipes, Bok Choy.
Bok Choy! You will like. I promise you. Yes. You and me. At noon. We will fight. Till dawn. Cheers.
So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do Bok Choy. I simply went to our Asian market. I picked up a bag of baby Bok Choys. Don't know how many is in here. I'll take half of this bag. I'll cook half today, and then I'll cook half in 2 days because I'll eat half of what I make today, and the other half tomorrow during lunch. I also bought some shiitake mushrooms because I love the meatiness of it. You will need 2 shallots, and you will need 5 teeth or pieces or man, I always forget the name in English, but in Brazil, I've always said it, the little pieces of garlic are called teeth because they look like teeth. Teeth, You will also need a little bit of oil, a little bit of soy sauce, some spicy chili crisp, some sesame oil, red chili hot. I'll leave all of the ingredients down below, as well as the quantities in the show more description, as well as some links probably to Amazon, which I am an affiliate of Amazon. So if you click on those links, it does help me out a little bit, and every little bit counts in this game. So thank you so much for clicking on those links and buying what we're making here tonight. And please, if you make this dish, let me know what you think down below. I love to hear success stories. I love to hear about weight loss, and this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue is all about you and me. So let's take it, guys. Get to it. And if you guys are liking what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. It's free to do it. Join me, join Giovanna, join the rest of the Reds Mafia on this journey of love, family, and passion. And next week, my trailer will be ready. You won't want to miss it. I'm going to do a documentary, a vlog of our journey from Virginia to Tyler, Texas, picking it up, to the unveiling of Big Red. Stay tuned.
By your drum, I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Isso é 6. I love my Bok Choy al dente. I could eat almost the entire thing right now myself. The crunchiness, the freshness, the spiciness, all embraced with that velvety garlic and that meaty shiitake mushroom. Do you like? What I want to know is, do you like? No, really. Give me a like. I like. Yeah, so good, y'all. Super healthy. Look us up. Got my missus back here cooking some frango, old chicken to go with this. And we're gonna be eating like kings tonight. Helping kings and queens. In 10 minutes, you're gonna have the best side dish, healthy side dish that you've ever had in such a long time. So this, in conjunction with many, many more, I'm gonna put like 4 or 5 different things that are my go-to. And I also eat about 6 ounces of chicken if I'm not eating very much. That's sauteed in garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. A little bit of oil as well. I also do roasted asparagus. I do roasted broccoli. I do roasted cauliflower. I do roasted asparagus. All of those are coming now. Please comment down below what more you want to see. And if you like these knives, these big old meathead knives, I'm gonna leave a link right here to my buddy Meathead or Meat Cranium as he goes by, and tell him that old Red sent you. Go look him up. He's on YouTube. And I'm also going to leave a link for all of the healthy benefits and calorie counts for Bok Choy right here, guys. Enjoy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Red is back. I'm ready to put out videos every single week, so please join me, Red, on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. Subscribe, y'all. It's free. And if it's free, it's for me. This guy with 2 thumbs. Well, one in the video right now, the other one holding the phone over here. Ha! Peace!